In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add receipts on Xero, full 2025 guide on 5 minutes. We'll start by getting into your Xero account. Open your browser and head to the Xero login page. On the home page, look for the login button and click it. You'll land on the secure sign-in screen. Enter your email and password carefully, then click login again to continue. If you're prompted to verify your identity, just follow the on-screen steps so you can proceed safely. A successful login brings you straight to your Xero dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct organization, especially if you manage multiple entities. At the top of the page, find your company name, click it to open the organization menu. From here, choose Files. This area is Xero's central library for documents, including receipts you want to store and reference later. Inside Files, you'll see an option to upload. Click Upload File. A file picker will open so you can select the receipt images stored on your computer. You can upload a photo you took on your phone, a scanned image, or a clean screenshot if the receipt came by email or through a portal. Select the file or files you want and confirm to begin the upload. You'll see progress indicators as Xero brings the documents into your library. Make sure the files you're uploading are saved in common formats that Xero handles well, specifically PNG, PDF, or JPEG. If your image is in another format, quickly export or save it as one of these before uploading. For the best clarity, use bright, even lighting when photographing receipts. Lay them flat and avoid shadows or folds that cut off totals, dates, or tax details. If the receipt is long, capture it in one clear photo or save as a single PDF if you've scanned it. Keep file sizes reasonable so uploads are quick and the image remains sharp when zoomed. After the upload finishes, your receipts will appear in the files library, ready to reference or attach to transactions later on. To stay organized, consider renaming files with the vendor, date, and amount, and keep similar receipts together so they're easy to find. This small habit makes month-end and audits much smoother. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to your company, opened files, uploaded your receipt images, and ensured they're saved in PNG, PDF, or JPEG for clean record keeping. Pause here, upload the receipts you have on hand, and you'll be set for your next reconciliation.